The gas path check must be carried out regularly to ensure that the extracted flue gas is not diluted with ambient air and the readings distorted as a result. Before I start the gas path check, I connect the flue gas probe to the Testo 340. Then in the main menu, I select the sub-menu Instrument Diagnosis and then Gas Path Check. The pump flow is shown on the display. Now I put the plastic cap on the tip of the flue gas probe so that its opening is completely covered. If Instrument is gas tight appears on the display, I can finish the test by pressing OK. If there is a leak, you can seal the gas inlet using your thumb and carry out the gas path check again. This enables you to check whether the cause is the gas sampling probe or the Testo 340.